Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you one of the best gears for growing your plants much faster in Grow a Garden 2, the Super Watering Can. So you can buy this gear from the gear shops like this. This one you can see it. When it appears in stock, it costs 1 million Sheckles. And the super watering can looks similar to normal watering can, but it has a beautiful rainbow colored designs like this, and its special ability is incredible. It will speed up plant growth by 300 times, so your crops can grow much faster than usual. However, since it's a super gear, it's extremely rare, and this stock doesn't appear very often, and I personally haven't seen it in my shop yet, so I can show you the gameplay directly in here. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!